Hello, Namaste. Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today's video is about SM Global Kwangya audition in SM Entertainment Company. In this video, I will tell you audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application and results announcement. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. Audition qualifications. Any boy or girl of any age and from any country can apply in this audition. Audition category. There is no limit to show your talent. You just need to record a video that shows your uniqueness. It can be any funny video, acting video, unique dancing, singing or rapping video, drawing, sketching, art, etc. video. Any talent that shows your uniqueness, that makes your video unique from others. Audition period from 25th January till 6th February 11:59 p.m. KST. So this audition has already been started and its last date is 6th February and please apply before 11:59 p.m. KST. And don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, Indians need to apply before 6th February 8:29 p.m. IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files. You just need to make an Instagram reel under 60 seconds that shows your uniqueness. With Kwangya stage filter, use your unique thoughts to create any special reel and upload it on your public Instagram account. Awards and benefits. 20 participants will be selected at random to give out 2022 SM Global Audition Kwangya goods, means gifts. Kwangya is a virtual world, so Kwangya goods may be like buying some animated characters, statues or merch. This audition is just like an ordinary giveaway event. Don't expect much from it. It's not for being an idle trainee. Audition procedure. There is only one round in which you need to apply online through Instagram. How to apply? Step 1. Follow @SM Audition Official on Instagram. Step 2. Film your unique and fun Instagram reel using Kwangya stage filter. Step 3. Tag the mandatory hashtags and post it. Mandatory hashtags are @SM Audition Official, #Kwangya Audition. Tips. Tag many friends on the post to increase your chance to win. Make your reels fun, means entertaining and unique to increase your chance to win. Reels posted by private accounts will be disqualified. Now let's see step-by-step process to apply in this audition. First, open your public Instagram account. Search SM Audition. Tap on this account. Follow this account. Tap here. This is Kwangya stage filter. Tap on it. Tap here. Okay, I can't use this filter because I need to update my account. So I will first update my Instagram app. Now it's updated. Let's follow the same process. Now tap here. Here, be close to the camera to record yourself. Now with this filter, record your video. From here, save it. Now come back. Tap here. Choose reel option. From here, choose your music. Write any caption that you want and then write @SM Audition Official, #Kwangya Audition, and you can add more hashtags than this. Tap here, tag SM Audition, and then tap here and then tag more friends to increase your chances. Here add your location and share it. And it's done. You have successfully applied for this audition. Results announcement. Result will be announced to winners by direct message individually on Wednesday, 9th of February. Today's comment winner is Savita. Thank you so much, Savita, for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.